Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. This afternoon, a customer brought in a Midea induction cooker. The problem is a strange buzzing or hissing sound whenever it starts heating. Let's take it apart and see what's going on. We'll start by removing the mainboard and checking the back. If you hear this buzzing sound as soon as you plug it in, the culprit is usually the 220 volts filter capacitor having loose solder joints. However, if the sound only appears during heating, like in this case, it's usually the large 5F 300 volts filter capacitor. This happens because the pins are loose or cold soldered, causing high voltage sparking. Looking closely at the board, the pins of this 300 volts capacitor are indeed loose. Warning: if you leave it like this, the capacitor could bulge, explode, or even blow the IGBT power tube. For a reliable repair, don't just resolder it, it's best to replace it with a brand new one. I'm installing a new capacitor now. Make sure the parameters and physical size match the original. In this circuit, while other components can just be resoldered, always replace a sparking capacitor to ensure safety. The board is quite clean. Here is the 220 volts AC input, the bridge rectifier. And the 300 volts filter section that powers the induction coil. There's also the small power supply area providing 18 volts. and a 7805 voltage regulator for the 5 volts logic. Before testing, don't forget to reconnect the surface temperature sensor (NTC). If you forget this, the unit might heat for a moment and then trigger an error code or alarm. After replacing the capacitor, it's heating perfectly now, no more buzzing sounds. If you found this helpful, follow for more professional repair tips. See you in the next one.